Executive functioning.
Executive functioning.
Pretend I don't know anything about executive functioning.
Okay. Well, that would make you a lot like most other people.
Yes.
Yeah. Executive functioning, so I'm a stickler for words, right? And when I think about executive functioning, and I think we've talked about this before too, the executive makes it sound pretty exclusive, right? Because it feels like it's like C-suite level. And then functioning feels so basic, and so it kind of feels like they run into each other a little bit. I also think the phrase adulting feels like a little pedantic, right? If I'm like an adult and someone tells me congratulations on adulting, that doesn't make me feel like an adult too much, right? So I think about like, what do I need to know in order to be able to navigate life, right? And so we have these 11 core executive functions, and each like ingredient on their own is fun and cool, and like I love each one of them. Like I could talk about metacognition like all day because I think it's super fun. Thoughts about our thoughts, feelings about our feelings, which is sweet. But how it gets applied to actually getting things done. So the easiest way I try to conceptualize it is, imagine there's a circle, and there's you trying to get something done, and then there's something that's stopping that from happening. Typically there's two things that could be stopping that. One is a skills challenge, like do I know how to do this? Do I need to chunk something out, seek advice, get some mentorship? Or am I emotionally stuck on it, right? Is it a regulation challenge? So when I think about executive functioning, I don't just think about like color coding my calendar or having a binder of stuff. It's really the process of digging into why that matters for me, so that way I can be invested in doing it. So the short answer is if you want to get things done and don't know how, or you don't know what you want to do and you know how. Either way, our entrance is to executive functioning.